Hey human, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this easy pasta salad. Why is the salad important? It's important because it has vegetables, it has croutons, it has two types of cheese. It has halloumi, it also has feta cheese, and it is highly recommended for diabetics. Yes, are you sure? Yes, I am. Hi, I'm a Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Trust me, you are in the right place. Now let's go right into this. Our ingredients: we will be needing halloumi cheese. Halloumi cheese can be compared with, for me, I'll say Wara cheese, which is a cottage cheese. We have tomatoes, bell peppers, and cucumbers. I love seedless cucumbers. Please use any cucumbers that you love. And for our protein, we'll be using minced meat. Feel free to use fish, beef, chicken, and croutons. I'll show you how to make croutons in this video. And of course, our pasta, I use a twist of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. Then I have my garlic sauce. You know me and garlic now. There's a video on this. Have you watched it? You haven't? I'm gonna add the video up again. Then I also have my salad dressing. I also have a video on this. Now, pasta is prepared with one or more types of pasta. Today I chose to use only one pasta, and it is best served chilled. It's nicer when it is chilled. And all of these ingredients will just make it such a lovely, 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 lovely pasta. Let's go right into it. At this point, you should have boiled your pasta. You don't know how to boil pasta? Okay, one day I'll show you. Now, you bring in your pasta and other ingredients follow. All of these ingredients eventually make this pasta a healthy pasta. Pasta, I won't say is unhealthy. You bring in your cucumbers, tomatoes. I love to make my cuts in strips. I'll recommend pasta for diabetics. You know why? Because it's low in calories, and then it reduces cravings, food cravings. This is why I'll recommend it, and because of all of this added vegetables. Now, for the halloumi, I fried it. Halloumi is a cheese that is made from either goat, sheep, or combination, or also cows. I'll also show you a video at the end of this whole video on how to make your croutons. Then we bring in our minced meat. Like I was saying, halloumi's melting point makes it very easy to fry or grill. Now, I am not going to add this directly. This is my garlic paste, because if I add it directly, it will just stick to particular portions of the salad. Instead, I'm going to make a paste with the garlic and the vinaigrette to make it runny. Then it'll be able to coat every pasta, every ingredient that I have added. Trust me, I added more of this dressing because, oh my god, it just makes the difference in all of this. And then you just repeat everything over and over and over. Now, remember I said we are going to use two types of cheese. I've told you about halloumi. Halloumi, in my opinion, is healthy because I compare it to cottage cheese. It's high in calcium, like up to 70%. And it's like a substitute for meat. That's halloumi. Now, after you bring all of your ingredients, you want to mix everything together and make sure each pasta, each crouton, each cheese and everything is coated. So I decided to toss this, which will make a whole lot of difference at the end of the day. Now, I'd like you to know that homemade meals are the easiest, and in my opinion, they're better than store-bought or restaurant, because you can customize your seasonings. You can just decide how everything tastes, you know. That makes it the best for me. Now, let's talk about this feta cheese. Have I spoken about feta cheese? Feta cheese is Greek cheese made from sheep's milk or sheep or goat. It's tangy and salty. It is high in calcium, and it has fewer calories than other cheese. But trust me, you want to drink a lot of water if you use feta cheese, and it's high in sodium. If you're hypertensive, you want to stay clear of this. Now, let me show you how I made this croutons. Croutons are used in salad to add texture or flavor. You can use it to eat your soups. You can eat it as a snack by itself. And what else? Okay, let me talk about those vegetables we used. Cucumbers promote hydration, it lowers blood sugar, and it is low in calories. Bell peppers are rich in many minerals and vitamins and antioxidants. Vitamins like vitamin C. Bell peppers improve your eye health. It reduces the risk of severe chronic diseases. Yep. Now let's come back to our croutons. You can use any bread of your choice. I just decided to use baguette, and I like to slightly toast it in the oven so that it's slightly hard. If it is soft, it's hard to cut them into shapes that are formed. Am I making sense? Okay, this is the shapes. You can cut it into any shapes you want. Croutons are sold in stores, but they're easy to make, guys. Very easy. Now this pan, I made garlic sauce out of it, and I decided to use it to make my croutons. This oil is basically garlic oil. It has basil in it, dry basil, oregano, and I think that was it. So you just bring your croutons. This is basically bread, guys. Bread. Hello, bready. Yes, bread. And then you toss this together and grill in the oven or bake in the oven for like 5 minutes and you're done. Let me also show you how to do it in a pan, but I mean, it's no biggie. So sometimes try to just do these things. It's not everything that you spend money to make. Trust me, guys. So all you do with this same mixture is just put it in the pan and toss it around in the pan over your burner or your gas for like 2 minutes and it's ready. Then our halloumi, to use it, we are gonna fry it, and that's it. Your salad is ready. Did I talk about tomatoes? Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K. And voila, your croutons are ready. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. This is how I fried my halloumi. Thank you so much. Honestly, God bless you for always coming back, for always watching my videos up to this point. Please do not forget to like the video, share the video, and leave me a comment or two about your opinion. Thank you. Mwah! And subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe. Thank you. Did I say bye? Bye.